Hello and welcome to a guided meditation. I'm Justin Epstein, author of the top-selling book Super You and minister of the Unity Center of New York City. I invite you to find a comfortable place to sit and let's take a nice, long, deep, cleansing breath. Good, letting your body relax. And now scanning your body from your feet to the top of your head. And just send the message to every muscle, relax and let go. Just be scanning your body, checking out your feet, your calves, your thighs, the pelvic area, the buttocks, the hips. Just sending the thought, relax, let go, relax. Becoming aware of your hands, your arms, your shoulders, your chest and your back. Becoming aware of your neck, the front, the back, the sides, and your face, your forehead, and the top of your head. And scanning your body again and seeing if there's still any place that needs to relax. You might want to just gently tense and release that part of your body. Just letting go, letting yourself relax. And now that the body's relaxed, let's concentrate the mind. I'd like to today have you use the power of your imagination to quiet your mind. Imagine yourself on a nice, sunny day, and you're sitting in a meadow, and there are trees around the meadow, and it's a little windy. You can hear the wind blowing. You can feel the wind. And you're just sitting down quietly on the earth or in a chair. And you can just hear the sounds of the birds, feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, hear the rustling of the leaves. Pretty strong wind now. Your hair is blowing. And now all of a sudden, feel the wind growing calm. And feel as if all of a sudden, the wind completely stops. And you can't hear a sound. It's as if the birds have stopped singing. The wind has become very still and quiet. All of nature is turning within and becoming still and quiet. And let us now enjoy that inner stillness, that inner quiet, just listening within, turning within. Now from this place of stillness, we bring to mind our friends and family, and to all people everywhere on the planet, all animals, the earth itself. And we allow this energy from this stillness to flow out to everyone. Let's rub the palms of our hands together, magnetizing the hands, and feel the energy flowing through these hands as we chant Om 3 times. Peace. Amen. I'll see you next time for another guided meditation.